Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get ultra wide camera on Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Getting access to an ultra wide camera on your Android device typically depends on whether your phone has the hardware to support it. Here are the steps you can follow to enable or make use of an ultra wide camera. First method, using the built-in camera app. If your phone has an ultra-wide camera, you can typically switch to it using the default camera app. Firstly, launch the default camera app on your phone. Look for an icon that resembles multiple people or a wide angle. Tap on this icon to switch to the ultra-wide camera lens. Now, if your phone does not have an ultra-wide camera, you have the couple of alternatives. So first, purchase an external clip-on wide-angle lens attachment that fits over your phone's existing camera. These lenses can be found online and in electronic stores. 2. Consider upgrading to a newer phone model that includes an ultra-wide camera. By following these steps, you can access and utilize the ultra-wide camera on your Android device or find suitable alternatives if your current phone does not support it.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.